Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to another project. Today I would like to give you all about how to make a simple chair that we could make it in Blender. So first, in here I already got my Blender ready, and do you guys know what Blender is? I think this is the first time that I can give you all about how to make a simple project in Blender. Okay, so Blender is one of a kind of desktop that you could use for making a 3D. So if you want to try and make a 3D design, you could use Blender, or there is another desktop called Maya. But I think it's good if you can use 3D more than using Maya. So yeah, without further ado, let's start and make our chair. So first thing first, let's try and remove all of the objects. So let's just select all by just holding our mouse and select all. After that you can click X to delete it. Just like this, there's nothing in here. And then if you want to add an object, you can use Shift A. In here I will using Windows kind of Blender, because since I'm using Windows, I will tell you all about how to make a 3D chair with using Windows. So first click Shift A, and then there is a mesh here. Choose the cube one. Okay, if you're done doing it, then click S to scale. There's some kind of thing that you could use, like there are tools that you can use, like move, rotate, scale, transform, by just clicking it. So you can move it like this, you can scale once that. But I think it's better if we use shortcut. So the shortcut for scaling is S, like this. But since we are trying to scale only up, because if we scale like this, we cannot. We'll be scaling all of it from Z to X and Y. Everything we will scale it. So the first thing, gotta click S and then Z, so we can only scale one up and below. Okay, so let's just put our chair maybe this much. Yeah, maybe like that. And then what I want you to do is, after that, go to below the -Z. Click the -Z like this, and then no, not the -Z, the Z with no minus. And then what you want to do is click Control R. But first, before you want to click Control R, please move it to edit mode. As you can see, there is object mode right here. So object mode is just you have to move this, move that. If you want to scale this, use that, or rotate it, or whatever you want. But if you want to edit your object, you can use the edit mode. So what I want you to do is just change from object to edit mode, or you can use the shortcut that is tab, like this. Now let's go back again, and then zoom in. Just don't zoom in too much. After that, use Control R. You can see there's yellow things in here, and the yellow line will follow. Which one do we want to put our line? Is it the green one or the red one? So here, firstly, let's do the green ones. So put it here, and then put it right in here. from these two squares. As you can see here, there's two square right here. Okay, and then let's add another one. Okay, just like that. Alright, now let's do the control R by let's put a line on the X right here and put it down, and then right there. Do it again, put it up, and there we go. So we have a square now in here. There are four squares, and then the big one in the middle. So what I want you to do is just select by clicking one of the object first, and then click four of them by holding shift. If you don't hold shift, you can only select one, but if you hold shift, you can select some of it. You can select all of it. Okay, but since this is Z, that means we want to make the chair, right? We want to make the legs. So go to the -Z. After you go -Z, then we can select it. After this, go up a little bit and then zoom out. After that, press E to scale it perfectly, like this. As you can see, I'm scaling my object. Maybe I should go with around here. Yes, that's it. Okay, now we want to make the lay, so they can lay back. Okay, it's like this. Pick three of them, and then oh no. Let's put the both. Click the both square in here, and then press E and go up. Like that. After that, I want you to do is go to edit mode, and then go click the button Control R, like this. So we want to make the way that they can lay back on. I want to put it just like that, and then you two over here. Excuse me. Okay, just like that. Alright, now let's pick. So in here there are some buttons that we can see that there are dots, line, and square, I think. So for this one, the first one is that you can only choose one. You can only choose the dot one. If you want to scale something, you want to what, or I don't know. If you want to use the dot one, you can just use this one. If you want to scale the dot or rotate or something. If you want to scale or make it bigger, it's just the line, just one line. You can use this. If you want to make it the square, one square long, you can use this. But let's use the third one. And then after that, I want you to click this one, and then you could click lever E to make it long. And then after that, just click when it's already on the right side. Right? Oh no, it's on the left side, I think. Yes, it was on the left side, because this is the right side, XX, and minus X is the left side. Or you could use one trick, that is, first, if you want to go back, you can use Control Z. Okay, go here and click the other one, so both are selected. What I want you to do, there is an edge over here. Click the edge. After that, click Bridge Edge Loops. So it's like this. But since I didn't make it looks ridiculous from my thing. Since it doesn't match how the tall is, so let's just go back, and then let's just put this one and then press E. Okay, and then just press E like this. So there we go, and we're finished. Now if you want to like make a comfy, very comfy chair, you can just use this and then press E, and there we go. You got yourself a comfy little chair. If you want to color it, you can just go to this other one. So there's like the UX one, the UI, the editing mode, and then there's the color. If you want to try and color, so let's try and color it. So if you want to color, just go to new, this, and then click new over here, materials, and then color it whatever you want. So it will change the colors like this. See, we have our own chair now. Alright, so you can then see in here we can just edit it whatever we want, what kind of object we want, and then in here we can color all the chair, I think it's okay. Well, that's it for me. Thank you all for watching, and I hope I can see you around, and goodbye. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.